Let us do the comparison between all the three mechanisms. So, E1 is a two-step mechanism, E1cB is also a two-step mechanism, whereas E2 is a one-step concerted mechanism. In E1 we have a carbocation, that is an intermediate that is formed. In the case of E1cB we have a carbanion which is an intermediate that is formed, whereas in the case of E2 there is no intermediate, we only have a transition state. And the carbocation can be stabilized by electron donating groups in the case of E1, and the carbanion can be stabilized by electron withdrawing groups in the case of E1cB mechanism. And in the case of E1 mechanism, it is favored by good leaving groups like halides and OTS. Similarly, halides and OTS are good leaving groups in the case of E2 mechanism also. Even a very poor leaving group like OH, OR or NH2 can also be employed in the E1cB mechanism. And the only requirement, the stereochemical requirement for E2 mechanism is the anti-periplanarity. For E1 or E1cB, we do not have any specific stereochemical requirements. And in the E1 mechanism, CX bond is broken in the first step. In the case of E1cB, CH bond is broken in the first step. And in the case of E2, both CH and CX bonds are broken in the rate determining step.